menu, and the second part of the tutorial, vector overlays. As you may remember from the lecture, we have 3 types of vector overlays: union, intersection, and identity. So a figure below illustrates an intersect overlay of 2 datasets. Here we have 2 datasets, right? The triangle and the rectangle, and the first dataset has the 4 geometric features within itself, and the second one is 2. Write down the attribute table of the output dataset that results from this overlay. So the output dataset of this overlay function from these 2 input vectors, here we have the output dataset, right? And the first vector has 4 objects, 4 geometric objects, right? And with 2 attributes, attribute 1 and attribute 2. And the second one, it has the 2 objects, 2 geometric features with only 1 attribute. And we should write the result of this overlay. In our case, union, right? I think this is a union type of overlay. So anyway, what will be the result of this overlay? At first, let me clip this output, and let's open Paint, and here I will explain to you what will be the result. So here we have the result of our overlay, and we can just write here that it has several results, several polygons within it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the result of our overlay function will be 12 geometric features, and also 3 attributes, right? So we should create a table with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, because we have also additional column of FID, right? And we'll actually in ArcGIS we'll have another column also compulsory, which will be shape, but we will not write it here. And also we should create 11 records, so 5 columns and 11 recs. Actually it's 12 because we have the name of the attributes as well. So here we have FID, here we have attribute 1, attribute 2. Just we can create here let's make this attribute 3, okay, because the name of the attribute will be different in different objects. And attribute 1, attribute 2, no, it's only, well, let's write it here, shape, right? Shape compulsory, it will be polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 objects, as we no, actually it's 12 objects, 12 objects, and the attributes are the attribute values for each record. For instance, here we have the 1, right? First object. So the result will be here's the first object. It will have only the attributes of this one, right? Second, but it will not have the attributes of if I do wrong, right? Because this object I want, but it will not have the attributes of the first object data set, because it's here only. So these attributes will be empty without no information. And we can also do the same thing for the second one, right? Second object will have the attributes of both of them. So here is a second object, it overlays here, right? This one, it has the attributes of the first feature of the first data set. It's A, and here is E, and also it has the information from the first polygon of the second data set. It's for A1 also. It will be also polygon. So I think you understood the basic concept, right? We can do the same thing for the second object, the other type. So let's take this one, right? This polygon 5. It has attributes of both the first object, the first polygon of the first data set. It has again A and E, and also the second polygon of the second object, this one, right? Here is the second one, and here is the first. So it will have the attribute B2, right? Attribute value B2, and it will be the polygon. So I think it's clear here. You should fill this table by your own. This will help you to understand the concepts of overlay. The results of overlay function for the attribute table, right? Because you will have the one attribute for the output dataset. So the next question: intersect datasets LULC with Soil features classified as 5A. Save the output dataset in your workspace. So let's first open the Arc toolbox and make intersection. We can find the vector operations here in analysis toolset, overlay, and here is intersection. So we should soil map and the land use, right? This one, land use vector, and here we should make the intersection and classify with soil features classified as 5A. At first we should first select the feature with name it with 5A, this one. Let's open that attribute. Let's make the intersection again. So soil map and land use. Join attributes. Okay, input. Let's try it. So it's executing, and here we have the result of our intersection. And as you may see here, we can close this one. This is our result. Should also close this one, and this is our result. As you may see here, result of 15A. It's here with let's make this LULC vector. So the attributes of these objects are mixed, are joined. How many polygons features does output dataset contain? It contains 614 objects, right? Features, 14 features. The attribute table of the output dataset contains 2 area fields. Explains the meaning of the both fields. So here we have area 1 and shape area. The meaning of them are here is 2 areas, this one and this one. The first one actually belongs to the soil map, this 15A object area, while this area belongs to the land use LULC vector areas, right? Object polygon areas. That's why here are This one is